Hi everyone, so my name is Prince and welcome. We'll start with the YC application. I think if you are going to start a startup or something and you have a good plan, so you can start with your YC application. This is good for your startup also, and if you get a chance to get admitted, so I think this is better for your startup also. So yeah, we'll start with the website. You can go to this YC Combinator website. I already filled the application, so we'll do a demo on that. Also, I will show my application too. So you come on this website and click on this Y Combinator. There is summer program going on. There are 4 to 3 programs. I think on yearly basis they are launched. So they fund many we can say startups, the best startup in the world, the unicorns. They fund that companies, and you can read there. They have the startup schools, they have the libraries, and this will give you a great knowledge on this. So let me show you. Basically, you can click on this apply to YC, okay, or you can also click on this apply button. Let me show you. If you are doing a first time, then just go to this YC website and click on apply to YC. There is a summer batch going on. Go to these details because that's very mandatory to read this. And if you have any question, you just put in comment and I will answer you. When you click on the apply to summer, you have to create your account first of all. So you can click on the login or sign up, and after that yeah, click on create an account. If you already have account, just log in. If you don't have the account, please log in with whether it's your first name, last name, email, username, password, and your LinkedIn URL. When you log in via this, or when you successfully sign up, then you can log in. After that, when you log in, just go to this apply button and click on this. When you click on this, click on apply to summer program. After that, you land on this. Basically, I already applied on this, so this is my application, you can see. But if let me show you my application first of all. So if you can see, you have to first like see if how many founders you have. If you have a 1 founder, 2 founder, 3 founders, or 4 founder, so you have to create every founder profile. Basically, the thing is, you can create your profile and then you invite your founder via their email invitation. So you can just fill their details and they will get the link and they will just fill the applications, and their profile will automatically basically we can say created here. So I'll recommend you guys go to your company email ID, okay. That's very mandatory. Don't use a Gmail or something, because that's not a very professional thing. You just if you want to take a domain and something, please take this, and after that you can make a Gmail account, the Outlook account or something like this, your company accounts. After that, you fill your details, make sure it's correct and according to your knowledge, and your LinkedIn profile also, because that's they can see also your education, your experience, why you want to apply this, and like why you different from others. If you are applying for this program, what you achieve, or like did you do anything previously. So you can fill these details. You can go to GPT or something and figure out, like you can just put, I am not saying you just put copy and paste. You just go to that and just write what you achieved or something that you feel it's what say it's a very ambition for you and something. So you can just write your thoughts and they will give you a response, and then you just paste it. After that, there is another profile, your another profile, founder profile. Now you have to upload a video. The video is around 1 minute and around 100 MB max. So this is a founder intro video. Let me show you something like
Hi,
this.
YC's team. My name is Prince. I am CEO and founder of this company, named Talentflow. I am currently based out in Farrukhabad and operating my company from Pune. Uh,
So basically, this is a demo video. You both of the founders have to upload. If you are not in place, like both of the founders not in place, just go to Teams or something, and you just have to record a video one by one. I mean, like both of you are present in the video, on the same video. So you just have to research about some tools and all, and you will get it. After that, you have to give your URL name. After that, you have to give a demo video of your product. So it's in we can say it's an early stage, or it's in you are in what say in ideation stage. I will show, please, anything that you have, you just make a video and upload this. This is my video. It's around
This is
300 MB or 150
the
MB, I don't remember,
this
but
is
you have to
a
figure
main
it
page.
out.
We
I
can
think they
say
will
the
upload
website
on
link is
this
still
thing.
pending.
You
We are
can
working
read
on this.
it.
This is the freelancer onboarding. This is sign up page, and when we click on the login, basically this is the login page of that freelancer and the company. When they click on hiring manager, then there is a you can see that, and this is the freelancer profile setup. Basically, this is a profile setup, a very clear and minimized things we are taking.
So basically, in this video, you don't have to tell about yourself. Just go to the video and what you are making, anything that you feel it's good and it's a main point, or it's a, we can say, uh, what you are building, your idea, just show in this video. And the other thing is your product link. It's in development. Go give them a development link. After that, your basically what your company going to make, some more details, answer these questions, your offices. Please make sure you have a reason if you are putting your offices in Singapore or Europe or India, something like this. So you have that reason ki why you are putting these offices in other countries, and when it's launch, how many pupils are in team, and all the things. And if you feel like this question is not for me, just leave that. Okay, don't write any other information that is not necessary. And after that, there is a equity section. You have to write a clear equity, like what you have and what your co-founder have. After that, why you want to apply, and all these things. These are the small questions. You can take a help from GPT, but I'll recommend you, please write your own. And if you want some formatting, then please go to ChatGPT, and it will help you. But I will say ki don't copy and paste somewhere else. Just write, just be what say authenticated, and basically just write your own things. Don't be copy and paste and all the things. Okay, so I think and then you just click on submit button. After submitting, you will get this kind of details, your in review and all, your details. And if you want to update something, like submit an update or something like this, you just click on this, and you will come on again on your application, and basically you will update these things. Okay, so I think this is pretty much from my side. Thanks on this video. And guys, one more thing, I am launching a product, Talentlo. It's a contract based platform where you will get companies like a Fiverr and Upwork, but it's better than that. You will get a long term opportunity with the companies. I will paste the link in this description box. Please go to this and apply and sign up. Thanks everyone. Bye.